You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Sir, may I have a word with you?
Angela.
Yes, sir.
Is everything all right? Don't worry. Go ahead. Your family.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you know I lost my mother and her burial is next week. I want to go home.
First of all, I sympathize with you, the death of your mom. I know how painful it can be. I felt the same way when I lost my wife. But don't worry, if you need help, don't hesitate to let me know. We'll support you financially.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
It's all right.
But sir, I might not be coming back again.
It's all right. Do what you have to do. Take good care of your loved ones, your siblings, and other things you have to do. Don't worry. Whenever you're ready to come back, our door will be wide open for you. We are family, like I said. Right? We'll support you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you so much, sir, for everything. I really appreciate it.
It's okay, you're family.
Thank you.
Take it easy on yourself.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It was just...
Just what?
Nothing.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm perfect. Something just...
Okay.
Yeah. Oluchi, I've been meaning to tell you. I feel like I should go back to work. You know, this...
What do you mean? You've been doing well here with me, haven't you?
Yes, I have, but I feel like I should resume my job as a corporate maid. I mean, I've been here, yes. I've also been a burden.
Mercy. You are not a burden to me. I want to help you.
I know. Still, I need to pick up and start all over.
Well, if that's what you need to do, then I'll support you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm about going outside. I'll see if I can help you get a job.
Thank you.
Please be fine. Promise me you'll be fine, okay? I'll see you later.
I can't do this. I need to pick up the pieces and start. I need to face whatever it is haunting me head on. I can face this head on. I have to.
Angela, I miss you so much.
I know.
Yes. Please come back soon.
I miss you guys so much.
Don't forget us.
I won't.
I love you, Auntie Angela.
I love you too, my baby. So, take good care of daddy, okay? And be a good girl. Take care of yourselves, alright? I love you.
It's alright. Angela, thank you so much. We're going to miss you, as you can see. My kids are already missing you, right? So we pray God be with you over there.
Amen.
Don't forget, whatever you need, call us. We'll support you financially and otherwise.
Thank you so much,
Whenever you're ready to come back, our doors are open.
Thank you so much, Sam. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, yes. Bye.
Bye.
Don't cry, okay?
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Alright, girls, let's go inside. Don't worry.
Yeah, Mr. Kachiku, good afternoon. No, I'm not in the office. I'm about stepping out. Hope all is well. Oh, you need another maid to take care of your kids. Yeah. I have a particular one on my desk. She's experienced and have good references. No, not to worry. When we see tomorrow, I'll take you through her profiles. Sure, not to worry. I'll put a call across. All right, take care.
Look, Kamsi, did you see? I just got to 100.
Oh, wow. Get to 500 and I'll be impressed.
Duh.
Hey.
I'm guessing it is. Hey, Dad.
What are you playing?
She's trying to break my record, which I know she wants.
Dad, I will. Come on, Kamsi.
Sure.
Dad, I just got to 100.
Okay.
Yay.
So she won.
No, I'm winning. I got to 500.
Duh.
So now who's winning?
It's alright. That's good. So, guess what?
What?
Guess.
You're taking us out.
I'm getting another iPad.
You bought me a car.
You want me a house?
No, far from it. Relax. Take a chill pill, right? Okay. I got a new maid for you.
Oh.
Need?
Okay.
So, henceforth, you will no longer walk your ass out in this house.
Thank
You'll be
God.
relieved. Don't worry. You like her?
Sure. So about the house, I was thinking a duplex with 2-story buildings, a kitchen, a bathroom,
Mercy. Guess what? Guess now. Okay. My friend who works at a caregiver hospital.
I got a job.
Oh my God, you did. He just secured you a job as a maid.
Are kids involved?
My dear, I know how much you love kids. So this is the perfect job for you. Really? You'll be working with a widower
Okay.
and his 2 lovely daughters.
Thank you. Thank you, Oluchi.
You're welcome. I'm so happy for you. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
I'm coming.
Not hungry.
I need to make something for you. We need to celebrate. I mean, come on.
I'm ready. I can. Find the truth.
Mercy, please take good care of my children. They are my priority. Please, I beg you. I will soon be back. My goodies, Daddy will soon be back, okay? Okay. All right. Osas! Yeah, bye. On the gates.
Shall we? I know, you asked already. Movie night, yes. And drinks. Nobody seems to be getting it.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that was more.
Oh.
I've been meaning to ask. If you had the power to bring somebody back alive, just one person, who would it be?
Mommy, of course. Yeah, Mommy.
You miss her, and you still remember her. How did she die?
She died in an accident. Yeah, that's it, in a car accident.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Jesus. I brought back old memories, right?
Jesus.
I'm sorry. I hate to kill your vibe. Let's play.
Jesus, can you help?
Oh, let's play. No, 6. Oh, that's sad. 6. Oh, double.
Inspector, I am telling you from experience.
What experience? Have you killed someone before? Or did you see him killing his wife?
Inspector, I wasn't there, but I know he always hit her. Sometimes he hide her in the bedroom, beat her to stupor till she passes out. It has happened times without numbers.
Did she ever report to the police or anyone related to her about this?
Officer, that I can't tell because I cut ties from them before their wedding. I tried as much as possible to stop them, but it didn't work.
He seems to know too much about this guy.
The guy in question here is my first cousin. I have known him for long. He's a slow poison. He is sweet outside, but dangerous inside. He's a beast. I was living with him when he was dating, I think, 2 girls. I knew about the relationship and everything. How we beat them up to stupor, to the point that they fell into coma. And also, I'm sure the reason why the wife is still haunting the house is because she was killed there and he's the one.
Just so you know, our conversation is recorded. If I need any other information, I will let you know.
Okay, officer. And also, I would like you to review the CCTV. I'm sure we'll get a clue from there.
Very well then. Thanks for the information, like I said.
Alright, thank you very much, officer, for your audience.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to put yourself into trouble? That man is rich and can lock you up for false accusations.
Tina, can you just listen to me?
I don't want to listen to you. If Ola's ghost can't go and tell her people who killed her, why should you be the person to carry it on your head?
That's ridiculous.
It's very ridiculous. Because I don't know why you are carrying this matter on your head. Is she in any way related to you?
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
The first mate told me about the creepy thing she was seeing in the house. So that's why I'm concerned.
Creepy things. Like?
She told me she once saw Ola ghost in the house.
And so? Are you in the right place to go and be looking for Ola's ghost for her? I don't understand. Or am I the one not understanding the writing on the wall?
Tina, what are you talking about? How do you mean? I don't understand. What are you insinuating?
Are you seeing the maid?
You must be joking, right? Why will you say such a thing?
I'm asking you, are you seeing their maid?
You're unbelievable.
Kay, where are you? I'm not done talking. Kay, come back here.
Hello, good day. Sorry, are you looking for someone?
Yes, I am looking for Ibrahim, the witch doctor.
Okay. Do you have a ghost following you?
Yes, my wife. She has refused to rest in peace.
Okay. Do you often see her?
Yes, just in my dreams. But everybody in my house sees her, including my new maid.
Okay. You know what? Wait for me, I'm coming.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Are you looking for someone? I'm asking you.
Excuse you?
Are you looking for someone?
You asked me to wait.
Me? When? Why?
I don't understand. You asked me to wait for you. I've been waiting here for over an hour.
Doing what exactly?
My wife's spirit refused to rest in peace, and you asked me to wait for you so you can call Ibrahim.
If your wife's spirit is going after you or chasing you, you should kill the spirit too. Kill her.
What?
Yes.
Are you okay?
What do you mean, am I okay? Yeah, that's what you should do. Excuse me, I'm doing something, please. And you should leave.
Just in my dreams. Oh, wait. When my workers, everybody in my house sees her, including my new housemate. I really need to do something about this, but this is going... It was an accident now! It was an accident! An accident, please! I did not...
Are you looking for something?
Yes, my phone. I can't remember where I left it.
This one?
Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
Well, I think you should be careful next time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
What's actually after you?
No, nothing. I think I was just hallucinating or something. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are needed at the station for questioning.
Good day, officer. Let me understand something. Am I being arrested?
I never said so, or do you have any reason not to go with me?
No, officer, but I'm a little bit confused because I gave you a clue on how to get the murderers.
So tell me, who's the murderer?
Officer, what's going on here, please? I don't understand, please.
Shall we? If you do not want to go with me gently, I can get my boys involved. I bet you won't like the outcome.
Officer, it hasn't gotten to that extent, please. I believe we can contact the maid. She will have a tangible...
I hate it when people want to teach me my job. Mr. K.
Officer.
Move it.
Officer, take it easy, okay? We can sort this out.
I do not have all the time. Please, can we just go, please?
It's fine.
After you, please.
Okay, officer.
Mercy.
Ready for school?
Yes.
Okay, take care of yourselves.
Okay.
I'll see you when you get back.
Bye.
Take care of yourselves.
Bye.
Bye.
Akachu, do you know why I invited you?
Auntie, at least offer me something special as usual now.
Because this is an unusual call.
What is the problem?
Akachuku, I heard that your wife's spirit has refused to rest in peace.
Who told you that? Who told you that?
Obezoku Kawashi.
No. I just want to know where the source is coming from. I mean, this information about my wife. Who said that?
Akachuku, is it true or false? Because I don't want her family members to take this matter to the deity.
I thought I told you how my wife died.
Well, I can't remember. If you tell me now, I will remember.
Auntie, why are you trying to do this now? No, what is this? No, why are you doing this? Are you trying to open up a wound that I got healed from since 10 years ago? Auntie, please, let me heal. Let me heal. I am human. I lost my wife in the most tragic way. Let me heal. Allow me heal, please.
Akachuku, what killed your wife? Kanchukwagozo, what killed your wife?
My wife had an accident.
Accident? What type of accident?
Is this why you invited me? No, until you of all people know how my wife died. I told you how it all happened. Even if people are talking about it, you can defend me. You can hit your chest and defend me and tell them how my wife died.
I can't defend what I don't know. At least you explain to me, can my wife be your wife? Yes.
Is this why you invited me? So I left everything I was doing in Abuja just to come here and answer questions from you. You of all people. Hi, Auntie. I am highly disappointed. I am disappointed that you cannot even defend your own brother. No, now. This is why you called me. I am out of this place. I am disappointed in you.
You can't walk out of me. I got you, go. Now I'm calling you now. You don't want to explain why your wife died. Most certainly.
Where is he?
He has left.
Left? To where?
Ha! Ona to come to where? Abuja now. He has gone to Abuja.
How? What do you mean gone back to Abuja? Why should Akachuku leave to Abuja without telling me? Did you not tell him what is going on?
I told him. Akachuku said I should stop opening an old wound.
But you should have told him that I needed to see him. These people are not taking this lightly again. You should have told him.
Biko. They should go and fight him now. They think he's guilty. It could happen, Makabiko.
Omo wine. Is that what you think?
What a fool that gets
Someone Who are you two urchins? What are you doing here?
Our kinsmen demand your presence in our village shrine.
Your kinsmen demand my presence in your shrine. See, hey, if the both of you don't leave my way right now, I will go into my car, bring out my gun and shoot you.
We are all as people. Our people want you to fool us so you can tell us what happened to our sister.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! How dare you accuse me of killing my own wife? How dare you?
You think you can kill us the same way you killed our sister?
And it seems that you prefer war than this. So you shall get. Let's go.
All this happened here. Yes. Those boys are light bearers of their deity. It was their elders that sent them. They are taking this matter seriously.
Okay, Dave, what do we do? How do I get out of this place?
Do you have money with you, dear? Just give me money. Give me money.
Money? How much?
Any amount. Just
Uncle, how much? One? Are you sure?
Hey! Go and start the fire.
The money disappeared.
It's alright. Go and start the fire. Let's see.
If they are inviting me to the shrine to swear, I am sorry. I will never do that. Never! Memia.
But if you are not guilty, you have to swear. You have to make that bold statement. We know you are not guilty, but you have to convince others.
Day, what you do not understand is that they are just trying to make out a case out of my wife's death. That's what they are good at. If they have a case against me, they should take it to the police and not invite me to the shrine. It's as simple as ABC.
That is why you have to swear. I will be there with you. They cannot do anything. They won't even make you swear the way they want. I will be there.
Day, Biko, has he told you what killed his wife?
Auntie, I told you my wife died in a motor accident. I told you. Auntie, please, I do not want to be agitated by you. Biko.
Akachuku. If your hand is in it, confide in me. I will know how to handle the matter.
You're a man I respect so much. You knew me when I was a child, up to this point of my life. I can confidently tell you right now that I have never in my life raised my hands on my wife. The man that caused my wife's accident is cooling his head in Kirikiri prison. Justice has been served. And I'm fine with that.
It is alright. The spirit of your wife is very strong. And I think she will need some appeasement.
That is what we should be talking about. If my wife's spirit needs some appeasement, let's give it to her. Can you hear? Not disturbing me about swearing. As far as I'm concerned, justice has been served.
Where are these from?
Now you've seen it, right? So what do you have to say?
Oh my God. Why do I have a feeling that you have a skeleton in your cupboard?
See, listen to me, Tina. Stop searching my house, okay? Stop it! You're not a special agent. I don't like it.
The person pointing accusing fingers is actually stained. That means that man is innocent.
Ask him to sit here and wait for me and come in so we can discuss something important. Oh, what the help was it? Let it not be that this young man is going back to the city without resolving this issue. Agent Dikeh, they do Ozu, Abani. A stubborn fly flows the corpse to the grave. But I'm Masaya.
Where is Akachuku?
I don't know.
Kenke Olema. Did he not sleep in this house last night?
He slept, but I woke up this morning, I could not find him. Mami Bojo.
I woke up this morning, feeling fine. What is this supposed to mean? We agreed to meet our last people today. Where has he gone to?
But there you have his phone number now. But when he on a phone, call him on phone.
I think you are correct. He's not picking his line. Could it be that he has gone back to Abuja?
There. God in heaven. Chukuna bideligwe makwana muabu anti abanyala. I have tried concerning this issue. I have tried. I want to make him. Okay, lady. Yeah, because everyone can that is that now. I don't know what is wrong with children of these days. If you ask somebody something, they won't tell you the truth.
No, this is getting out of hand. It's really getting out of hand.
So, is that why he ran away?
No, he didn't run. He said he had a business meeting. He needed to attend to that. And moreover, he wasn't prepared for all this.
He wasn't prepared?
That's what he said.
MD, it would be nice I would tell ourselves the truth. Can I go for one Izioku? If Akachuku killed his wife, let him confess now. Kunoku. So we know how to help him.
Why would he kill his wife? I don't believe he killed his wife. I don't believe that at all.
Okay. If you don't believe he killed his wife, why has his wife's spirit refused to rest in peace? Think about it.
The woman died accidentally. Have you not heard such story? Sometimes when somebody dies like that, his or her spirit refuses to rest. As for Lama's people, nobody is bringing them money anymore. They are angry. I also heard that Akachuku refused to give them money and also didn't allow them to come to his house anymore.
Honestly, this matter is just confusing me. But Akachuku on his own side, why has he refused to swear? At least prove his innocency.
You are right. But if they think he's guilty, they should ask her spirit to hurt him. Akachuku told me that he hadn't seen Olama's ghost before. If it is him that killed Olama, her spirit should haunt him.
Ikego. Hey, you're making a point.
That's what I'm saying.
You're right. But I'm thinking, is it not time you and I should go and ask questions? Kaika Jue say. What do you think?
I only think that we should warn Akachuku. Ask him to be careful. I see hatred. I see hatred. And it is lurking. That's all I think.
Hey! So...
Frank, my friend. You know, in the world of business, I'm a genius.
I know.
You know, right now we have a very big opportunity to make millions of profits.
I see. I know that, but you know, we need to be very, very careful so that we will not overextend ourselves. You know that.
Frank, you have no problem. You are covered. As far as I'm concerned, why do they call me a genius in the first place?
Are you sure?
I am very sure. Well, let's have a toast. Future business. More profits, right?
Akachuku, are you okay? What happened?
Huh? I'm fine. I think it's the drink. I got choked.
Why did you check as if you have seen a ghost?
Ghost? No.
You know, this drink is very hot, so I had a choke.
Dad is home.
How are you?
Hi. How was work?
Work was good. Where is Messi?
She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Daddy, she's preparing your favorite dinner.
Oh, that is nice. All right, let me quickly go upstairs and shower, then come back so we can have our meal. You enjoyed me, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. I'll be right back. Mercy! Mercy, get in here! What happened to my room?
I just cleaned it before I left.
Does this look like a cleaned room? Look at my pictures. My fridge.
No, sir, no,
my clothes.
I hung the clothes.
My goodness. My bag on the floor.
No, sir, I folded it. No.
What is going on with you? Are you sure you're fine?
I'm perfectly okay, sir.
No. At least with this, I can confirm that you are going nuts.
No, sir.
You need to see a doctor. You are sick. You need to get treated. What is this? Are you okay? Are you taking cracks? Are you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Before I come back, make sure you tidy this room. 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Tony, Akashko, my friend. I came here in respect of my maid, Mercy. You know her, right?
Yeah, what about her?
See, I don't know. This girl has been behaving so strange of late. She claims she has been hearing voices, destroying my properties. And right now, I'm even in fear for my children. They are in danger. And I remember she said she's seeing ghosts.
You mean ghosts?
Yes, ghosts.
Have you called her out to ask her some questions? You know, these days people are going through a lot. Maybe psychological problem, family issue, even relationship.
I know, doctor. I have done that. But she keeps denying.
This is just serious. I think what you have to do is you have to come with her. Let me examine her by myself. You know, you are the boss. She might not tell you things. I will talk to her directly. I know where the problem is coming from.
Please, I will do just that, okay? Whatever she tells you, please don't hesitate to tell me.
My friend, no problem. I'll take care of that.
I should be the first to hear.
Okay, my friend.
Okay. So what's up? What's going on now? It's been a while. You don't come out on a normal joint again.
You know the work now. You know the work. Well, make her time to come out, okay?
Yes, I will. But I need to leave now.
Okay.
Hey!
What is it? Can't I have peace again? What is it?
What do you mean by what is it? I'm talking to you. Hey!
What is it?
What do you have to say about this?
What?
So she was your girlfriend,
Babe.
Hey, she was your girlfriend.
Babe, just let me explain.
If you knew a lot about this, why haven't you gone to the police to confess? Another man is going through hell. Why the real devil is there roaming around the streets? Claiming sense.
It's not what you think, babe.
It's not what I think.
Babe! Fuck!
Sheep clothing.
Babe, why are you going to me?
I'm leaving you.
Please. Babe, I can explain.
Leave me alone.
Babe, please come back.
Explain what? You can go to the police and explain that to them.
Babe, it's not what you think. It's not what you think, babe.
I've been dealing with a beast. How?
Okay, fine. I will go to the police if that's what you want. I will go and report tomorrow to the police station.
To do what? To bribe them?
No, babe. Babe.
Get lost.
Babe, please, babe. Babe.
Mercy. You have a mental case, and the doctor just confirmed it. So all you need to do is sit, relax, and get treated. So you don't harm yourself or harm anybody in this house.
No, sir, I do not have a mental case, sir. You have to understand.
Understand what? That you're seeing ghosts in my house, hearing strange voices, and you think it is normal. Mercy! You think that is normal? You need to get treated. I do not want you to be a nuisance in this house. I have little children here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I can assure you, sir, something supernatural is going on here.
Supernatural?
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with you? No, what is really wrong with you? I think the doctor was right. See, may I remind you that the only reason why you are still in this house is because you are good in your job. And also the bond you have with my children, obviously, that's why. But I will not hesitate to sack you if this continues.
Please, sir. Don't fire me, sir. I'll do better. I'll do better, sir. Sir, I think it's necessary that I let you know that the ghost and the baby draped in white, it's your wife. I see how...
Enough.
Yes, sir.
I do not know the kind of game you are playing, but I will not stay here and allow you do this. I will not tolerate this nonsense in this house.
Sorry, sir.
Now get out of my sight before I lose it.
Yes, sir.
Get out! I want to talk about Auntie Mercy. These days, she behaves so strange. I don't know if you guys have really noticed. She's not being herself. I am thinking of letting her go so she will not hurt you people.
No, Dad, please
Dad,
don't.
please.
We like her. She's our
We don't want her to go.
I know. I'm just looking out for you girls. Look at it the last time. She almost injured you. Hearing strange voices. I do not understand. I don't want anything to happen to my girls.
Dad. She has never been violent with us. Except for the
Incident that happened with Kamsi.
Alright. Promise me you will be very careful around her.
Promise.
We promise.
I know she might say things that are not true. But believe me, those are hallucinations. I will always be here for you and for you. Remember, I love you so much. Promise me again, please.
Promise, Daddy.
Come.
I don't know what to do. Oluchi, no one believes me. Akachuku thinks I'm running crazy. In fact, he's threatening to fire me if I don't get it all together. Even the doctor does not believe me.
This must be very tough for you.
I'm alone in this. Alone, confused and scared. Oluchi, do you think I should confess? Just say everything I know.
Confess what? Don't try it, oh. Do you want to get yourself in a lot of trouble?
I'll still be in a lot of trouble if I keep mute. My life might soon be in danger.
Mercy, when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. All right?
Thank you. Thank you, Oluchi.
It's okay.
It means a lot to me that even one person, you, that you believe me, that means a whole lot to me.
Mercy, you were not alone. All right? It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Good morning.
Let me see.
Please promise me. Promise me no one will see this. Please. I love him and I'm carrying his child.
Let me see first. What?
Sir, please. We can settle this here. Please.
Really?
How do we settle this?
Well, I've sent it to my WhatsApp. You hear from me soon.
No, please, you can't do this. Please. We can settle this here and now. Please.
If you're a relative to that innocent young girl, will you say this? Justice must be served.
We can find a smooth ground. Please.
Well, I do not want to mean any disrespect, but one more word from you, I'll get you arrested. Well, I better take my leave.
Yeah.
Hear from you soon.
Brenda, are you okay? Honestly, I'm not. Oluchi, marriage is not really what it seems to be. My husband is really driving me crazy.
I wish I have someone that drives me crazy. You know, you're really lucky, oh.
I pray God will give you your own Prince Charming, so you know what I'm talking about.
I hope so. But Brenda, why did you move?
You understand? I've been suspecting my husband for months. And just last week, I found proof he's been cheating.
That must really been tough for you. But you shouldn't have moved your tenslers like that. Oluchi, there's something that has been bothering me about Mercy. She has been saying some strange things.
Something like what?
Like ghosts, some weird stuffs. I don't get it. I don't know.
Ghosts, weird stuff. Don't you think she needs spiritual guidance? Why not take her to Pastor Thompson? I heard he has experience with all this spiritual stuff.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I think you should go see him.
I'll see him.
Yeah.
I'll try and check on him.
Try and see him because this matter is serious. So it's a serious matter.
And no marriage is perfect. Alright? You should meet with your husband and fix things. Alright?
I will. God is my strength. Let's get going.
What is it now? What is it now?
It's nothing. It's alright, let's go.
Akachuku, you need to see a doctor.
Doctor for what?
You're not okay now. You need to see a doctor. Short.
Doctor for what?
I'm turning back now. We're going to see a doctor. What's going on? I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? Huh? What is this? This is not the first time. This is not the second time the same thing is happening. I don't understand. Please, let's see a doctor right now.
Jesus, how can I help I and my child?
Jesus!
What?
Jesus!
What is it? What's going on here?
What's going on? What's wrong?
Mercy!
Sir!
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Very okay, sir.
What is it?
It's a ghost. A ghost.
Ghost? Where? Are you okay? Huh?
It's a ghost, sir.
Ghost in my house?
A female one.
What are you talking about? Are you sure you've not been taking some cracks in my house? Are you fine? Are you okay?
Perfectly fine, sir. It's a ghost in the house, sir.
Ghost?
Yes. A woman.
Move it. Please calm down now. Move it, please. Calm down. Officer, please. Move it. Officer, please. There must be a mistake somewhere, please. I didn't do it, officer. I'm innocent.
Officers, please, we can settle this without taking him to the station. Please.
Madam, this is this. All fingers were pointing at an innocent man, including your husband, without knowing that he's a real culprit. Officer, please have taken.
Move it.
Please.
Move it.
Please, sir, we can settle this. Don't take him away, please. We can settle this right here and now. Please.
Tina, you betrayed me. You did this to me.
I said move him.
Right,
Move it!
Him.
Officer, calm down.
Move it! Officer, let's sort this out. Move.
Please.
Move it. Move.
It's nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Trying to avoid sugar.
You are?
Yes, I am.
But you're missing out.
Oh, God. It's cute.
So nice.
Oh, yes, I can't be tempted. Sugar. How do you get this open again?
What? You don't know how to open a bottle?
Yes, I do. I'm just trying to be sure. Just trying to open it the right way.
Is there a wrong way?
Hey, watch your tone. Do the pictures you're gonna do. Hey, I've seen it. Yes, I got it. So it's just that. It's not like it's straw or anything. It's a regular way to get it.
Say cheese.
Smile, please.
Why?
Say cheese.
What is it?
I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm perfectly fine.
Aunt Mercy, why did you push Kamsi?
No, I didn't.
Are you fine? Are you sure you're fine?
Yes,
You pushed Kamsi?
Yes, I didn't push Kamsi.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm
Well, I'm sorry it happened this way. Indeed, the videos from the CCTVs got corrupt. But not all of them. We have some evidence. Right?
It's alright, officer. I understand your point, but please, I need to go treat myself now, please.
It's okay. I just want you to know that we're doing our job.
Yeah, I understand.
All the same, I'm sorry.
Babe, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for allowing myself to be deceived. I'm so sorry, please.
Can you give me my key, please?
I'm sorry, please.
Please give me the key!
Babe, please, I'm sorry.
If you come!
Babe, please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. If you were in my shoes, you would have done
Don't
so.
come close.
Please, I'm sorry.
You heartless bitch. What if I was killed there?
Please, I'll do anything to make it up to you, please. Please, I'm sorry.
I don't want you to do anything.
You don't know how broken I feel right now. Please, I'm sorry.
If you like, be shattered. Broken, that's not my business. I don't want to see you close to me again. Never again.
Babe,
stay away from me, Tina.
Don't shut me out, please. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe! Babe, I said I'm sorry. Babe!
I have to call Mercy now. I don't think I'll be going back home. Hi, Mercy. I won't be coming home today. I said I won't be coming home today, okay? Take good care of my kids. Can't you hear me? I am not coming back. Now, don't worry, I have few clothes with me. All right.
Hi.
May I help you?
I thought you needed my help, that's why I'm here.
Well, I don't need your help anymore.
You don't? No problem. I'll wait here until you need my help.
Are you alright?
Does it look like I'm alright?
See, you need to stop this nonsense, okay? Are you trolling me or what? What is it?
Well, I'm only here to help you chase your wife's spirits away.
Oh, come on, stop this madness right now. Stop it!
No problem, I will stop. If only you will allow me to do my job.
You must be mentally derailed.
Sir. Yes, sir. I was able to get his fingerprints. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Alright.
Like I promised, today's shopping. We are going to have a swell time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Dad. I hope Auntie Mercy is following us.
No. She's not feeling too well. Maybe she's stressed. So I want her to rest.
But Dad, she's been resting for so long. We promised to include her in our activities.
Do you have a problem with that? Do you? So she's not coming with us, so that's fine now.
But Dad, you're the one that's always telling us to be kind and inclusive. Auntie Mercy is a blessing. She always makes us feel special.
I know that. I'm also trying to protect you.
From what?
Exactly. From what, Daddy?
From hurting you. Remember what happened the last time?
That was an accident.
Accident, you say?
Yes.
She's sick.
She's not.
So at this point, let us go. And that's final. That's my final decision. Oh yeah, let's go.
No, I want her to follow us.
Are you the one making decisions here? Or myself? Huh? Now for the last time. Let's go.
Dad, if she's not going to follow us, then you don't love us.
Yes, you don't love us.
Really?
Yes, really.
I won't repeat myself again. Meet me in the car right now.
Wait.
She's not going with us.
Dad.
Your father doesn't love me.
Doctor, see, I can't take this anymore. The last time Mercy pushed my daughter, I am telling you, she's posing as a threat in my house. Danger everywhere. I think it's time for me to sack her.
Sack her? Akachukwu, let me tell you the truth. Sacking that girl is not the option. No, she has been of help in your family, take care of your kids and take care of you and all that.
I know, but at this point, she's a threat already. What do you expect I do?
I understand what you're saying. But like I said, sacking her is not the best option. I think let's work together and see how we can help her. That is what we can do about this.
I am really trying my best.
I know.
I am really trying my best. God knows I am trying my best.
Just think, you remember the girl having of help. She has been the one doing everything in the house. You just have to remember the good times. Okay? You don't have to sack or fire her. Let's just come together and think of how we can help her.
It seems you don't understand, but it's okay. I've heard you. Please, I need to rush home now.
No problem.
I do not know what is happening there.
Just calm down, okay?
Right.
Everything fine. Take care, my friend.
Enough is enough. No. Enough is enough. You are leaving. Hey, stay away from this. You need to leave my house, alright? Go out there and hallucinate, not in my house!
Why are you begging me? You're beginning to pose as a threat to my children! You are mad! Alright? And you need to go out of my house and practice your hallucination. Enough of this ghost story everywhere. You seeing ghosts, you hearing strange voices. I am tired of that!
That she's our friend. Please don't let her go. Please don't chase her away.
She is your friend.
Yes, sir.
You want me to forgive her, right?
Yes, sir.
And you too.
Yes.
As your father, I said enough is enough and she's leaving. You need to leave right now. I don't want to lay my hands on you. Leave the house. Hey, go back.
Why did he come into my life? Why did that guy come into my life? He was an ordeal to me in my past and even in my present. He won't leave me.
I say you need to calm down, okay? It's okay. You'll be fine.
I can't. I feel so lost, Oluchi. I don't know what to do.
You are still the same Mercy. The same good person that I know. Listen, you'll be fine.
I'm just tired. I feel so confused and empty. I don't even know what to think. My God, Oluchi, what if I made a mistake? What if I made a mistake and I caused all of this mess? What if
I'm the reason everything is going on like this.
We will figure it out together, okay? Oh God. You just have to trust God.
I can't trust God because God let Akachuku help me this much.
God is so unique in his way. You need to trust his process.
I'm trying to believe this now. I'm trying so hard to believe this now. But I cannot trust any process at all at this point.
Then hold on to faith.
I can't.
Let's go.
Dad, this shoe. Nice.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Dad, can you hear me late, man?
Come see. You're not halfway whispering.
Why are you even overworking yourself? You
When you can just bring back Auntie Mercy. Hi, Mom.
Auntie Mercy?
Mm-hmm.
See, I want you all to stop talking about Mercy in this house.
Why?
I think I know what you need.
What? What is it?
A new mom.
What? You don't need a new mom.
Exactly, we don't want mom. We just want Auntie Mercy.
Yes.
She's nice.
Auntie Mercy. She's beautiful.
What if we don't even like the new mom?
Yes, what if she's wicked? What if she's
very
very What if she's
mean?
going to kill her? What if she's
Hey, enough now. You all are saying same thing at the same time. Calm down. I am not going to bring someone that is wicked and mean.
How do you know if they're wicked or mean? They're pretenders everywhere and you're not well.
You haven't even met her. Allow her to come in so you can judge her talking.
We don't need to meet her to know if she's going to kill us.
Come see.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Said I should.
I know you'll be surprised by what I'm about to say. I've been waiting for so long to do this, but I was just respecting my late wife, the mother of my girls. You know, I've been waiting to see when the right day will come. But the truth is that you can't just keep waiting. All you need to do is to do the right thing at the right time. And I think this is the right time. Kasi, I have searched my heart. I have searched everything. I can't find anyone like you. I have carved a niche in my heart where only you will remain for the rest of my life. Please, would you be the mother to my girls? Will you be the mother to my unborn children, I want you to take care of me and also my girls. I can't achieve this without you saying yes to my proposal. Please, will you marry me? Don't say no.
I wasn't expecting this at all. Yes.
Yes?
Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, please. Please. Woo!
Oh my God. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for saying yes. You've made me the happiest man on earth. I love you so much.
I love you too.
At least now you will be the mother to my girls and take care of them. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Oh.
Wow.
Come
That's
here.
amazing.
Yeah.
She said yes.
Yes, Daddy.
So we have a new mom now.
Yeah, we do. A pretty one.
I know you guys will be surprised why I called this meeting. Yes, I want to introduce someone very special to my heart. I know since the demise of your mother, you miss her so much. I understand that. I miss her so much too. And I pray her soul rest in peace. But even at that, we need to move forward. I want you to meet a special woman in my life now. Her name is Kosi, my wife-to-be.
Wife.
You guys look beautiful.
We know.
Kosi, these are my lovely kids. They are my priority. In fact, if you hurt them, you hurt me too. So in a nutshell, that's why I called this meeting to introduce her to you.
Oh.
So she will be your new mom. Henceforth, you no longer walk your ass out in the kitchen and the house chores. Right? So that part stopped. She will take good care of you.
Yeah, Dad, we just remembered we have projects.
Yeah.
So many projects we have to turn in. Tomorrow, actually. So we have to just go upstairs now to finish them up. If you don't mind.
It's okay. It's fine. Hey. Sit. At least welcome her.
Welcome. Her.
Thank you.
You can go.
You guys look beautiful once again.
So we'll go now.
Yeah. Okay, can go.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, babe. So those are my lovely kids. I hope you like them.
Yes, I love them, but they don't like me.
No, don't say that. Why would you say that? Come on. You know, it's their first time seeing you, so it's normal with kids. Don't worry. With time, they will come around. Okay?
Okay. If you say so.
Welcome to your new home. This is where you belong, okay? Cheers.
Okay, babe. Yes, cheers.
Cheers to a good beginning. I love you so much.
Love you too, baby. Love you.
I have drinks if you want. I can go get more for you. What do you want, Mercy? Check on the kids as what? See, listen to me.
You are no longer part of this family, alright? Stay away from my family! What the hell is wrong with you? You've been sacked, remember? Silence! See, if you cough, if you say anything, if you cough, I will make you regret the existence of your life. Remember my last warning. Nonsense.
Ella.
Yeah?
Why is that shouting at Mercy?
I don't know, Kamsi, but it sounds so scary.
Come see, my child. Come see. Come see. Mom, you and your sister are the only ones who can set me free from this bondage. Mercy has the answers.
I promise you, Mom. I will do it.
My child, you need to act fast. Time is running out. The spirits are restless. Please, my child.
Mom? Mom? Mom!
See, it was just a dream. You're safe now. Believe me. I know you miss your mom so much. I know it's not easy putting up with the whole situation. But you'll be fine. Let's forget about the past and focus on the present. Let's move forward. Do you understand me?
But it felt so real, Dad. Mom was trying to tell me something. I know it. She was trying to warn me about something, but I don't know what.
Hey, Kamsi, I think your mind was just playing a trick on you. You do not understand that. Please, don't allow that to affect you. Like I said earlier, let us focus on the present. Leave the past. It should remain there. We need to move forward together. Right, Ella? Right? Yeah.
Dad, why won't you just believe me? But Dad, remember Mercy went through something similar before he sent her away.
Hey. I have warned you earlier that I do not want to hear you mention that name in this house again. What is wrong with you? And you need to see a doctor. I think you have fever. Go to bed! Nonsense. See. So, I'm sorry. Come. See. I'm sorry I yelled at you. And you, Ella. You know what I'm doing is to be the best dad for both of you. Come see. I will be the best dad. The best mom. I will provide everything. Let everything that happened in the past remain in the past. We need to move forward. Okay? Come on. And you too. Smile for daddy. I love you.
Love you too, Dad.
Are you sure? That's good. So you need to go to bed now. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good. Alright, let me bed you, okay?
Come on, come, sleep. Sleep.
Beautiful, right? Okay, good night, lovelies.
Good night, Dad.
Do I have fever?
I don't think so.
Hello, Akachuku. I'm good. Frank, I've been complaining about you lately. About your strange behaviors. Yes. To be frank with you, I think the problem is not for your house girl. You need help too. I know what I'm saying, yeah. Can you come over to that usual spot? Okay, no problem. You can see me in the office tomorrow. Let's talk. Okay, right now. Take care.
I feel like no one believes me.
I believe you, Kamsi. Remember Mercy went through something similar and how Dad sent her away.
Yeah, I remember, but what does it have to do with me?
I think same thing is happening to you. But we know the truth, Kamsi. We know you're not crazy.
How are you girls?
Fine, Uncle Frank. We've been learning a lot at school.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I've been having fun with our friends.
Wow, that's good. That's great. And your dad, is he?
Dad's been angry, Uncle Frank.
Yeah, he's always angry.
What's making him angry?
We don't know, but he just gets angry and screams sometimes.
Especially since Auntie Mercy left.
Are you serious? You think it's because of his anger issues that makes him send Mercy away?
Yeah. We think so, Uncle Frank. He was really angry at her before she left.
Are you serious? Oh, wow. Okay. And he doesn't shout at you girls?
Yeah, he does, but he never beats us.
Maybe Auntie Mercy sometimes, but definitely not us.
Okay. It's alright. Okay. Thank you for sharing this with me. I'm proud of you girls. You're doing great. That's good. Okay. Let's go.
Mom?
Kamsi, I've been trying to reach you. The answers you seek lies with Mercy.
Mercy? Do you know where she is? Where can I find her?
Seek her. She has everything that you need to know. Follow your heart. Follow your instinct.
I will, Mom. Promise. Mom? Mom!
Kamsi, who are you talking to?
Mom. She's the one that can help us.
Kamsi, there's no one there. And you're talking to yourself and it's freaking me out. You're really scaring me, Kamsi. Mom!
I believe you now, Kamsi. I saw it with my own eyes. What are we going to do?
We need to get to Mercy. Mom's going to say that she has answers we're looking for.
But how? Dad sent her away and we don't even know where she is.
I know a way.
How?
I've been thinking about it, and I think I know how to track her down.
How, Kamsi? Tell me.
Joe, my man. Guess what? Just guess. No. Far from it. All right, relax. I'll tell you. The contract has been awarded. Yes! I told you this deal is gonna pull through. I am the one, all right? I can handle anything, provided the financial commitment is there. All right, no problem, man. See, by tomorrow, we go to our normal spot, all right? All bills on me. No, on me. All right. This is a great news.
Kamsi, just remember the password.
Yes, I do. I just hope he hasn't changed it.
Amen. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Ella, Auntie Mercy's number is not here.
Oh.
You must have deleted it or saved it as someone else.
What are we going to do now? We can't just give up.
I need to think this through. Let's go, Uncle Frank.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Babe, Akachuku's calling.
Akachuku?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, Uncle Frank. It's Kamsi. Good evening, sir.
Kamsi? I thought it was your father calling. Is everything alright? Are you okay?
Uncle Frank, we can't talk over the phone. Please, we need to see you tomorrow.
It's alright. I will see you tomorrow. Okay?
Uncle Frank, please, don't tell Dad about this call.
It's alright. I won't say a word. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? I hope you guys are okay. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, okay?
Dad is coming.
Hey, beautiful kids. You don't want to talk about it?
Oh, yes. Yes.
We touched the phone because we wanted to, play a game.
Game on my phone? What about the iPad? Your iPad?
The battery's dead. The batteries are dead, both of them. Oh no, they're not dead. They're charging. There's a new game we installed in your phone. It works on your phone because it's.
You are right. It's okay. It is late. You should go upstairs and sleep. Tomorrow is school.
But we just got started.
No buts. Go upstairs, tomorrow is school.
Okay.
Fine.
Good night, Dad.
Good night. No kiss? Yeah, Joe. Like I was saying, tomorrow, okay, we're gonna celebrate this and pop champagne. All to my bill.
Babe, who was that? What happened?
Come see. She said she wants to see me tomorrow.
Why? What happened?
I don't know. I'll try and see her tomorrow.
Hope everything is okay.
Me too. I don't know. Baby, what do you think about this call? What do you think about her calling?
It's really strange. Like she didn't want to discuss anything about over the phone.
Yes. And she specifically asked me not to tell her father. And it got me worried.
I hope they're not in any form of trouble.
I don't know. I know something's really going on. Something is really going on. It's okay. I'll find out tomorrow.
Frank, please be careful. I don't want you being involved in any issues here. Please.
I will. Don't worry, okay?
Alright, babe.
Good night.
Good night.
Ella, we did it. We finally got through to Uncle Frank.
But Dad almost got us. He almost walked in on us.
I know, right? That was a close one. My heart was racing.
But anyways, Kamsi, we did it. We are one step closer to uncovering the truth.
Yeah, I will not stop until we uncover the truth, no
That's
matter what it
period.
is. Yeah.
Sister Olusi, you know, I had a revelation about Sister Mercy. She's been manipulated in the spiritual realm. And we need to be prayerful. Because if you're not prayerful, what I saw in my revelation will definitely come to pass. And which is what I wish for her. So, and as for you, you need to be strong in prayer. Likewise her too. So that what I saw in my dream will not come to manifestation.
God forbid, Holy Ghost fire.
To rebuke it, it's not bad. But you have to be prayerful. And as for me, I'll continue to be praying for you guys.
Thank you, Pastor.
But be strong.
So, Pastor, what do we do?
I would have want to see her myself, but since I've seen you, relate my message to her. Then, and I'll see her after the prayer.
All right, sir.
So I'll have you guys in my prayer.
Thank you, Pastor.
All right, so you can go because I have other people to attend to inside the church.
Thank you, Pastor.
All right.
God bless you, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
See you on Wednesday.
All right, sir.
All right, thank you.
Whatever it is, it must have something to do with Akajoko's strange behavior lately. And he has been acting so secretive and distant. Kamsi and Ella has been acting strange too. Something is really going on. And I'm here to find out.
Uncle Frank, we have something to tell you.
Okay, go ahead.
Something strange has been happening to us.
We have been seeing our mom's ghost. She has been appearing to us with a baby in her arm.
Are you serious? And how long have this been happening?
For weeks now. And she keeps saying the same thing every time.
She said she was murdered.
What?
That the spirit is restless because of it. That we should find our former maid, Auntie Mercy. She knows the secret to her death.
Yeah, and we don't know where we can find her.
She was murdered.
Please, we need your help.
Mercy. Mercy.
Did you hear that? What's going on? It scared me. The doors are closing and opening. And then noise.
Babe, I had a disturbing conversation with the girls today.
What's that? What happened?
They said they have been seeing their mother's ghost. And the ghost told them she was murdered.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yes. And they said they told their father. And he did not even believe them. And right now they are even scared of him.
What?
I don't know. The worst part is that they said the ghost told them that they should look for Mercy, their former maid, that she knows a secret about her mother.
Mercy?
Yes.
Like, how does Mercy connect with all this?
I don't know. That is only what I'm going to find out.
So how are you going to find out?
I have a number.
Go ahead then.
Let me call her. It's ringing.
Okay.
Hello, Mercy. Mercy, please. I want to talk to you about your former boss.
Mr. Frank, I can't.
Please, Mercy, just calm down. Please, I need to know what you know.
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Mercy, please don't hang up. Please just talk to me. I need to find out something, please. Please, okay, let's just meet. Even if for once. Please, for once, for the sake of those girls, please.
No, please, no. Goodbye.
Please, hold on. Mercy, please.
I'm fine, Oluchi. I need to talk to you. Frank just called me and he's asking me questions about the family. Well, no. I told him no. I don't want to be involved. Oluchi, I cannot be involved in this again. I can't be involved with the family and their drama. I know, you think I don't know? Oluchi, I know. But I have to think about myself for once. thinking, Oluchi, maybe I should meet with Frank just once, for the sake of the girls. What if it is a trap? What if Frank just wants to use me to get to know about his family? I'll think about it. I'll think about it. When you get home, we'll talk about it more. Why does my past keep hunting me down? I just can't shake it off. But then again, I can't keep running. I have to face this. I have to see Frank. I have to face this and fight it head on. No. I can't be involved. I already said I will not be involved. But then again, the girls, they're innocent. And if I don't face this now, I never will. I can't keep running. I won't run. I'm going to meet with Frank. No, I can't. I can't. Think about yourself, Mercy. I can't.
Mercy, please, I just want you to tell me the truth. I know the stress I took just to look at you. Mercy, you were expelled from Akachukwu's house without any explanation. Tell me, what did he do to you?
Nothing. Nothing. Maybe he got fed up or something. Nothing. I don't know.
Mercy, you're playing games with me. You lived with him. You must have some ideas. What happened?
I don't know. I honestly don't know anything.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you, Mercy. Tell me, Akachukwu is having some mental issues. I need to help him. Mercy, please, just help me.
I don't know anything. I don't.
You don't know anything? It's all right. I'll take my leave now. But please, if there is anything you feel like letting me know, please don't hesitate.
I hear you.
Hmm?
Yes.
Thank you, Frank, for checking on her.
It's all right. Mercy, please, I'm counting on you. Okay?
Mercy, you need to tell him the truth. He can help Akachukwu.
I can't. I cannot. We cannot trust anybody now. Not even Frank. Can't trust anyone.
You're playing with fire. You better come out clean before it's too late.
Hello, Uncle Frank. It's me, Kamsi. Oh, yes, the phone. I took it from a teacher. I wanted to call my dad. So, I just wanted to know, how did your meeting with Auntie Mercy go? Oh, she has finally agreed to talk. That means we're getting closer. Ah, thank you so much. I can't wait. Okay, I have to go now before someone sees me. Bye.
Mercy, thank you for meeting me here. I know it is not easy for you.
The secret I hold is deep. I'm afraid for my safety. I will only speak in front of the police, where my safety is guaranteed.
Mercy, I promise you, I will protect you. Please just tell me what is going on.
I know what happens to people who go against your family. I'm not ready to risk my life.
I know. But I promise I will do anything in my power to keep you safe. But you have to tell me the truth. Please. Mercy, speak. I know whatever you have to say, I know it will hurt us, but you have to say it.
I know. And I am so sorry. I'm sorry.
See, girls, I do not like your cold attitude towards Kosi. I know you don't like her, but then why not give it a time? Give it a trial. With time, you are going to like her. She's actually a very nice person. I'm telling you, at least you won't have to walk your ass out in the house. The house chores, those are relieved right now.
Dad, you've been saying work. Did we complain to you that the workload is too much?
But that shouldn't be your responsibility. At least not now. You need to focus
We
on
don't
yourself.
like her.
We don't like her.
You don't like her?
Yeah,
Yes.
we don't like her.
Alright, I think you're judging her based on her appearance. You need to read and focus on your studies. What's that? It's actually nothing, okay? It's so, like I was saying, okay? You don't judge a book by the cover.
Perfect timing. I brought some glasses and fruit drinks so we can have fun as one big family, okay?
See?
You know?
Fruits. Fruit, right? You like it? I told you. You like juice, right?
Baby, I'm sorry. Thank you, my love. Baby girl.
We have things to do
We don't want juice.
Dad.
We don't want juice, Daddy.
Ella, come see.
Did I do it?
It's okay. It's okay. With time. They will come. They will come around. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm really sorry for that embarrassment, right? They are kids. With time, they will come around.
It's okay, baby. Let's drink.
You sure?
Yes, fine.
I have the best kids, right? So with time, like I said, you're going to enjoy your home. Oh, it's all right. How about the food, the dinner?
And it will be ready in 5 minutes.
I can't wait.
No,
I'm
sure.
so famished.
Really?
Yes.
Don't worry, it will be ready.
All right. Yes. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
What's going on?
Natasha, can you believe Kosin is threatening to arrest me just because I advised her to stay away from Akachuku?
Are you sure? Wait, babe. Like, are you sure about this?
I'm very sure. Listen, that guy is not who we think he is. He is evil.
Babe, I would advise you to tread carefully. You know Kosi is in love with this guy. See, I don't want her to think that you're trying to sabotage her relationship with this guy.
I'm just concerned. I'm just concerned.
I know, but you just need to be careful.
I'm only trying to help. And I wish she can understand.
Wow, he proposed? Congratulations, babe. Your ring is so beautiful.
I know, right? It's beautiful. Guess what?
What?
My man is so handsome. Charming. Rich. Every woman's dream.
Oh my God. I cannot wait to see this guy.
Guess what?
What?
He's offering to take us out.
Are you serious?
Yes. You know, you, Oluchi, and Brenda.
I cannot wait to tell them.
I know, right?
This is good news. My girl is engaged.
Of course, I'm taking I can't wait. Don't worry. It will soon be your turn.
I'm so happy for you, darling.
Thank you so much. I love you, dear.
Babe.
Yes.
Please take 5.
So tomorrow it is, right?
Of course. I will not miss it for anything.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much.
Doctor, I'm thinking about this, our friend strange behavior, Akachuku. I'm worried about him.
Frank, I've been trying to reach out to Akachuku. We have been avoiding me and my calls. I don't know what to do.
Dr. Tony, please, I don't know what to do. The worst part is that he's pushing away people that is there for him, people that is ready to help him.
Frank, I share a concern. I think we have to help this guy before it gets out of hand. Seriously.
Please, doctor. Please, I am willing to do whatever it takes to help him. We cannot give up on him right now. And doctor, you know, you are in a better position to help him.
We'll do something about that fastly before it gets out of hand.
Okay, doctor, please.
No problem.
Hey, Daddy. How you doing?
Whenever you guys are like this, you're up to a mischief. So what is it this time?
Yeah, we're hungry. We're starving. We want to eat food made by you right now.
No.
Always hungry.
Always.
Alright, so I'll just order something for us to eat.
No,
we want homemade food.
Come on, not now, alright? As you can see, because he's not here, so she'll be coming tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a loud day. She's coming with her friends and also my friend Frank.
Yay!
We're going to bake together, eat and dine, right?
Yay! So we should wait until tomorrow before we eat homemade food, right?
I never said that. I'll just order something for
You know that if Auntie Mercy was here, this would have been big.
She would have made it. Just bring back Mercy.
Yes.
No. Mercy is never an option. I've warned you all, stop talking about Mercy in this house.
Not an option either.
Now we are hungry and we have to eat.
So we don't want to eat food from a restaurant.
Have I not been the one cooking for you guys?
Well, what happened today?
We want to eat.
I said not today.
Why? Dad!
So, like I said, we decided to come around so we can have some fun.
I see. That's good.
My kids are over there playing.
I know, I can see them. I can see that they're playing.
Look at the shot.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, nice one.
Okay.
Can I see?
Wow.
Can I see, Mama?
I think I can.
Thank you.
I can get a better shot. Come.
Oh, without me.
Okay, join.
Okay, okay, it's alright. Oh yeah, you should go back. Let them go back.
Yeah, I want to swim.
Yeah, go and swim, go and swim.
All right.
Go and swim. Go and swim. Their friends come.
Yeah,
Where
they're
are
coming.
They'll soon be here.
Yes, they will.
Oh, here they are. Come search.
I'm done searching.
Oh my God.
Brenda.
Jesus.
Natasha.
This is.
Oh, baby.
How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
Yeah, how are you?
Bama.
I hear when you said Natasha. You're Natasha.
Hi. Of course I am.
Wow. Are you?
Nollywood.
Olichi, how are you? Oh, Uju, right?
Brenda.
Okay, I say Uju.
You're welcome.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down. Okay. Is it Olichi? All right. Come here.
Wow.
Ask them what they want.
Ask them. Anything you want.
Okay.
What do you want?
Just enjoy yourself.
Come on, girls.
Take anything you want,
Say something.
Oh, anything. I'm fine.
Okay, it's all right. Just get them maybe wine, champagne, amarula, whatever you can bring. Just bring it.
Girls.
All right. So,
guys, I need to be on my way now.
Oluchi, are you okay?
Of course, I'm fine. I'm okay. We'll talk on phone.
Baby, I'm coming. Oluchi, wait! Oluchi! Oluchi, wait!
all right, ladies, we have Amarula here and Andre. So enjoy yourself, right?
You take this. And you take this.
Oluchi, wait! What has come over you?
Kosi, you won't understand.
Understand what? You just practically walked out on me and my family, including my husband's friend. You practically walked out on us. You're my best friend. Is anything the matter?
Okay, Kosi, listen. Akachukwu is not who you think he is. He is a devil in angel's clothing.
Akachukwu, you don't even know him. Hold it. I can say you don't want my happiness. It's written all over you. You're not happy for me. Yes. It's written all over you. You don't want my happiness.
Kosi, you need to listen to me. You need to listen to this one. You need to stay away from Akachukwu, please.
Shut your mouth. Oluchi, I said shut your mouth. It's obvious you're jealous of me. For someone you don't even know. Gosh.
Kosi.
Just shut up. You don't want my happiness. You're evil. It's written all over you. You hate me. God. You're jealous. You're a devil. Excuse me.
Kosi, I'm just trying to protect you. Kosi! Kosi, I'm just trying to protect you.
Officer, she insisted that if she must talk, she will talk before the police. 1 minute, please. Hello? Oh, yeah. I'm at the station, yes. Yes, no, come. It's okay, it's okay. So, officer, that is why I'm here to contact the police. Okay, my brother, that's not a problem. Since you're here, I'll just take your record and then we'll pick it up from there. Okay. Is that okay? Okay, no problem. Let's go inside.
Olichi, you know what you did that day was very wrong. You just stood up and left like that. Do you know that Kosi is very mad at you? You embarrassed her in front of her fiancé and his friend. It's wrong now.
Babe, you won't understand. And I'm sorry I embarrassed you and I embarrassed Kosi. I'm sorry about that, but it's deeper than you can imagine.
Then you should make me understand.
Darling, I owe you no explanation.
Really?
I'm not even in the mood for all of this now, please. Let's talk about something else.
Wait. Don't make me believe you're jealous of Kosi.
Excuse me?
So, Miss Missy, tell me what you know. Tell me everything you know about this.
It all started when I came to work for Mr. Akachukwu and his family. His children were babies at the time. His wife, she was kind, very lovely. But he abused her mentally and physically. Sometimes she spoke to me. Sometimes she kept the pains to herself. Faith brought us together again.
Go on.
I will hit you and hit you again and again. My goodness! I feed you in this house. I pay your bills. All you do in this house is to be upstairs on the bed, press your phone, eat, and unfortunately do nothing. Without me, your family would have been racked in abject poverty. Do you know that you are a disappointment to me? Even the Bible says that it is preferable for a man to stay at the top roof than share a room with a quarrelsome woman. All you do in this house is nag morning, nag night, nag afternoon. What the hell is wrong with you? Now listen to me. Do you know the reason why I'm stuck with you? It is because of our children and not because of your stupid self. If you do this next time, you are going to see an accident.
Sorry.
Take it easy, baby. Okay. Let's go. You good? You sure? Oh my God. Baby. Make sure you good. I know. I'm only concerned about you and my baby here. Alright? Please promise me you will not overstress yourself.
I won't. Don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. With our baby in my arms.
I know, but I can't wait to meet my baby boy. Don't worry, alright? Make sure you call me when you arrive.
Okay, babes, I will. I wish you were just going to be by my side in the theater.
Of course, I will be there. I'll be your rock and your support. Baby, you know I love you so much, okay?
Oh, I love you too.
And as for this boy here, I can't wait. I can't just wait to have him.
And how did you know it's a boy?
I know, I saw in my dreams, a boy.
You did not see well.
I saw it, right? Please be careful.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to disturb.
It's alright.
I wanted to let you know I'll be going to the market. And from there, I'll pick up the kids from school.
That is great. Merci. Thanks for all you do.
For nothing, sir. As an additional information, I'm sorry. I might be a little late because the market will be busy at this time. Plus, I have to wait so the kids can close before picking them.
That's okay. I do hope the money will take care.
Oh, yes, the house money is enough. Yes, sir.
Alright, I'll be out. I have to know right.
All right, sir. Thank you. Should I get you anything?
No.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. I was actually trying to call him, sir. Alright, I'll meet you. Thank you.
I can't believe I've forgotten these drugs. And this is the reason. This is the main reason why I'm going to this place now.
been satisfying me. You neglected me for so long. What do you expect me to do?
Akajuko. You're trying to say that I'm not enough for you. You're trying to tell me that I'm not enough to satisfy you.
I am not saying that. But can't you see it is obvious? It is obvious. It's been all about you. You, your business, yourself. What do you expect me to do? You neglected me for so much.
Ooh.
Would you blame me going to seek comfort? Huh? No, you won't blame me for that.
Akajuko, you would have communicated to me. You just cheated on me here. There is no excuse for cheating.
I would have communicated with you. My goodness. I have been giving you all the signs. You didn't comply with me. Red, yellow, green, and yet you did nothing. What do you expect me to do? I had to find comfort elsewhere.
Comfort. Akajuko, you have just destroyed our home. You have just destroyed everything. You have scattered our home and you call this comfort?
Hey, come on, Ola. You're beginning to be dramatic right now. I'm a man, an African man, and I have the right to be with any woman I want. Alright? Stop being dramatic, please.
How dare you? How dare you stand before me and tell me about right? How dare you? I caught you with a woman on our matrimonial bed, and you stand here and tell me about right. You're a fool. You're a demon from the pit of hell. You are an irresponsible man.
Hey, Ola.
You are an idiot.
Ola, stop this. Stop.
You are stupid for telling me that. You are a madman.
How dare you call me names? How dare you? How dare you call me names? How dare you? Mercy, listen to me. You did not see anything. You did not see me raise my hands on Ola. You did not see her die. Did you see anything?
No, I did not.
Good. I want to warn you. If you try to expose me, you know I have all the money to buy myself out of trouble, right?
Yes,
sir. Remember your sick mother. Remember your brother Obinna. I will so deal with them that will regret the day you met me.
Please, not my family.
I will not hurt them if you comply. Okay? Right? Good girl. Good girl. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath. Smile. Smile. Come on, smile. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Oh God. Make sure you don't spill.
No, I don't.
Mercy! Mercy! Mercy!
See, Mercy, you're safe with us, right? And I promise we're going to handle him. We'll take care of him.
He killed her. I saw him with my eyes. And I couldn't help her. I stood there and I did nothing because I was scared.
You see, I must say, there's a brave step you've taken to have come to us with this.
No. I let her down. She deserves justice. He deserves to pay for what he did.
Oh no, you did not. What you're doing now is also going to bring her justice. I want you to know that you have not failed her in any way. And also that we will be needing a concrete evidence to back up your confession.
I have that.
You do?
Yes. I do.
Very well then.
What's that?
Mr. Akachuku.
Yes, I am.
You're under arrest.
For what? What's going on? Why am I being arrested?
You are under arrest for the murder of your wife, Olama. And you have the right to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. And you have the right to provide an attorney. If you don't have, the law will provide you with one.
You don't have the right to barge into my residence and say you want to arrest me. I think there's a mix-up somewhere, officers.
When we get to the station, we'll find out if there's a mistake.
Dad, what's going on? Why are the police here?
It's nothing. They came to arrest me. But I do not know why. Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere.
Arrest you for what?
I don't know, maybe it's a mistake.
Mr. Akachuku, you need to come with us to the station. And when we get to the station, let's find out if there's a mistake.
My dad is not coming with you.
Officers, arrest him.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Dad! Dad, no!
Officer!
Please don't!
Okay,
Dad!
it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I'll be back. Right? I'll be back soon. Okay? Right? I'll be back soon.
I've had lots of hard knocks, cracks. And yours will not be an exception. Hence, you do not want to tell me the truth. I think I'll do it my way.
See, officer, the only reason I am giving you all this room is because I'm a law-abiding citizen of this country. Do you know me? Do you know who I am? You just barged into my house and accused me of killing my own wife. I think I'm going to get my lawyer involved in this and I will sue your ass.
I see. Very well then. You sue my ass. We'll get to that point. Come with me.
I just hope I'm on bail.
I said come with me.
Just release me and let me.
I can't believe you could do such a thing. Why did you kill your wife?
I didn't do it. Frank, you are my friend. You've known me for so many years. I mean, why would you be asking this? You see, I swear with my children's lives, I will not kill my wife. What will I gain?
Then why? Why did Mercy implicate you? Why is she implicating you?
That's what I'm trying to figure out, actually. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe she's trying to frame me up.
Trying to frame you up? Are you sure? Are you sure you were framed up, Mr. Akachukwu?
Why would anybody want to frame you up? And what would a person gain? Who would want to frame you up and what would a person gain?
Officer, in your years of practicing the law, you've seen cases of people framing people up. So it's just normal, it's natural. So this might be one of it.
If I were you, Mr. Akachukwu, I would be calm and say the truth and nothing but the truth.
If I were you, I would work with evidence. Evidence! Please, I have told you time without number. I've told you my truth. I am innocent! Take me back home.
I do not know you know about evidences. In any case, let's see. This might lead us to the very reasons to your question, Mr. Akachukwu. And if you must know, this is a CCTV footage recovered from your house by Mercy before she left. This is...
Officer, please, I am really sorry. Please, what can we do?
Why did you do this? Your wife was a great woman. She was a mother. Why doing this? Why killing her?
Frank, you will not understand. Okay, this is not the time to talk about this, please. I will pay any amount of money.
Really?
Frank, please do something about this.
Why? Why did you do this?
Actually, yes, this is not the time to talk about this. But you're going in for a long thing.
This is our job. This is our job. I know. This is our job. So sometimes people are like that. But the good thing is justice has prevailed. And justice will prevail. That's just the good thing. Right? Officer.
Do you know I'm here to believe that this, my friend, could do such a thing?
Yes, you see, there's this common saying that we need not to judge the book by its cover. Right. What matters is he's caught. And everything that's hidden has come to limelight. Right? The main thing is that justice will prevail. Right? I do appreciate your support. Right? Thank you for a job well done. You're indeed a friend.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey Ken, what's up now? Yes, yes. Oh, see, guy, see, I don't want to be involved with anything that has to do with that guy called Akachuku. I have cut myself off from that dude. I don't want to have anything to do with him. Yes. Wait, are you serious? When was he arrested? Huh? Okay. Alright, no problem.
You are my blood.
So now you know I'm your cousin. Do you remember how you treated me? Because I advised you about getting married to this girl. Do you remember what you did to me?
That was in the past. Please.
Guy, so you mean you want to get married to Ola?
Do you have a problem with that?
Of course there's a problem. You know you have anger issues and you need to prepare yourself for marriage.
How is that your problem? I don't understand.
Guy, you know what I'm saying. You are a human beater. And if you continue like this, you will kill somebody.
Okay. I did not invite you to my house to come and speak nonsense. Please, I invited you here for you to come and plan the wedding.
Of course, I'm not saying I'm not going to plan your wedding. But please, just think about what I'm saying because it's very important.
No. You need to censor your words. Seriously.
My guy, you and I know what I'm saying is true.
Excuse me. Hello, Chief. I'm fine. Really? All right, Chief. I'll be on my way, please. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Bro, please, sir, I think I have to see you tomorrow. Let's reschedule.
Okay, no problem then.
All right.
All right, my guy.
Take care.
All right, now.
What did you tell Ola?
Ola? I didn't tell her anything.
I will ask you one more time. What did you tell Ola?
Guy, I didn't tell Ola anything. What's up now?
You did not tell Ola anything. Is that what you're trying? Are you mad? So you went as far as telling Ola not to marry me, that I am a woman beater? Are you mad? Are you crazy?
I didn't tell Ola anything. I've not even seen her recently.
You are mad. You are stupid. You are crazy. In fact, you're not supposed to be my friend. At this point in time, I am done. Leave my house.
Akachuku, are you telling me to leave your house?
I am not joking. I do not have water in my house. Leave my house right now.
It's me, Keo.
Talking to you, you're still dead. Leave my house! Take your phone! Take your phone! Get out! Get out of my house! Get out!
You know, you would have saved yourself this whole stress, and if you had listened to me and heed to my advice about getting married to this girl.
Yes, you did. You advised me. I should have listened. But even at that, please, just help me. Bring me out of this place. If I remain here, I don't know what will become of my kids. Please, they are still tender.
Akachuku, the law has to take its course. You have to pay the price.
Pay the price?
Yeah, for the crimes you committed.
CK, this wasn't an intentional act. Okay? I did not hurt her intentionally. It was an accident.
You've been saying this for many years now. You've committed so many crimes and you got away with it. You've been saying the same word. It's an accident. And unless I forget, you tried to manipulate my fiancée, telling her that I was the one that murdered Ola, right? You know, that would have put me in detention if not for the CCTV footage. You are just something else.
I am sorry. Please help me. Help me out of this place. Please.
I am very sure of one thing. You will pay for all the crimes you committed and the law will take its course. There is nothing you can do about that. Please. I think I'll take my leave now, okay?
Don't leave me like this now.
Ella! Come on, join me.
So you have to describe this one. Let's go this one. Tina, please. Let's go. Don't just bring it down, right? Bring it here. This side. You can go like the green cups. What's that? Can you even step it? Come on, step it. This way. Step it, let me see. Watch that one. See. It's not that serious. It's not that serious.